Reggie made some great plays. He had a slant. He had like a couple slant routes over the middle. Gronk made some big body catches. Catches you would expect from a guy his size, and he's physical after the catch.
Hudson was kind of saying the offense needed a little more passion and enthusiasm today. He thinks camp maybe just kind of taking its toll.
Yeah, like I say, we had some negative things. It's just the energy. When we started, the energy wasn't there. But I feel like, as the day progressed, as guys made plays, we kind of got up.
Is the offense, y'all hear your press clippings, and I know Bobo's trying to get y'all back down to earth. Does it still?
No, we're not content. We know that to this point we've done nothing that counts. The only thing that counts is the things we're gonna do next year. The things we did last year, it really doesn't matter. So we're pressing on, and we're just getting better every day as a unit.